Good morning, people.
It's not morning, it's 1:35 in the afternoon.
It is 1:35 on Friday, and we are heading up to Keystone, Colorado for my cousin's wedding. So we're making a weekend of it with my mom and dad, my sister and her boyfriend, and we're just gonna spend the weekend up there and have a good old time. So we're on our way up to the resort right now, and it's a 2.5 hour drive. So if we don't make it, it's because we killed each other going on the way up. All right, that's all. No!
Just to let you guys know, I'm eating healthier than Steph. I'm drinking water, she's drinking sweet tea. I'm eating a salad and she just ate a bunch of carbs, chicken sandwich.
I'm not putting that in there.
Yeah, you will.
Okay, I'm putting it in there. That's true. I was hungry. I wanted more than just a salad. I haven't eaten and it's 1:30. I was starving.
Mind you, the salad that I'm eating isn't the healthiest salad either. It's still got like over 1,000 calories.
Yeah, it's ranch based.
Ranch based, man. Just end it already.
I was trying to pick your nose, but it's not working. Jared was being so patient, waiting for his salad, and I get it all out. They didn't give us a fork, so he can't have his salad.
God dang.
That sucks. All right.
We're at like 10, 11,000 feet right now.
You guys, can we just talk about how beautiful it is up here? There's a giant mountain all behind those trees that you guys can't see. There's a beautiful man right here. So you walk in the cute little door. You just walk.
That doesn't open, remember?
Oh, I thought this was the bathroom. You guys are peeping around the corner. Oh my gosh. My mom is hiding from the camera. Okay. Oh gosh. All right, let's do this. Bam. This is Jared's in my bedroom. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Oh. Hey guys. And then bathroom, toilet, shower. My sister and her boyfriend decided to come late, so they get the small bed. And then you go in here, a little area, and can we talk about this view? Like, this is gorgeous. Well, what the heck? We got Cheetos, Puffy Cheetos, Lay's, Doritos, Fritos, Eatos, everything Eatos, muffins, bread, crackers, chocolate. Jared, last but not least, my parents' bedroom.
Hey.
Hi. I just like putting my mom in the shot because she's awkward. And yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, and then we have babe. Hey, push, bang.
006.
Just stupid. Welcome. Konnichiwa. Hola. ¿Cómo está? Welcome. I don't think it says any of that except for welcome. All right, we're all fancied up. Going to a reception. I almost said to the wedding. The wedding is not today. They're so cute.
Oh.
So cute. Well, we're on our way up to the mountain because the only way you want to do a wedding in the mountains is to go to the very top. Going all the way up there. We're going up. It's not a picture. I've never been on a gondola. I'm taking off. Oh my gosh. Oh, my pits are sweating.
Next level.
Views for days. Just kidding. I'm talking about my mom.
And look at what I wasn't even going anywhere. No.
And when Jared doesn't think I'm actually funny, he goes. It's like a pity laugh. I'm actually really funny. Cheers! They gave us champagne, as you saw, and I thought we could bring it down with us, and we can't, so I had to chug it. We're up really high, like 12,000 feet, right? Something like that?
Yeah.
We're up really high.
We getting high.
Oh my gosh, look at that view. Holy cow.
That's a beautiful view.
Wow.
That for a wedding? Damn.
Wow. Oh, that's amazing. If y'all have never been to Colorado, you need to come. We have like the best views here ever. I mean, we take them for granted because we see them every day, but then we come up here and it's amazing. Y'all need to come up here. It's beautiful. Okay, I need to stop vlogging. I'm gonna break an ankle. Be very, very careful.
Slower?
babe, I'm gonna fall. I swear to God. You're a brat. We're on our way back down from the mountain, from Keystone, and we stopped at a miner's graveyard in Idaho Springs. I should have vlogged all of this, but there was a very tight quarters. We're in the dually, and we were rim to rim, falling off a cliff. It was stressful. This is about where we were buried. We made it though, so. But when you get up to the mountains, the elevation is obviously even higher. You hear about people who say, oh, Colorado's so hard to breathe. And we're used to it because we live here. But then we get up higher and we're all gassed going up a tiny hill. It's just how it works. Yeah. Beautiful. If you look, so we had this tree he had to worry about. This wall is angled. So look, like, it's angled. So we were good on the tires and then all of a sudden we rubbed. Everything worked out. Mike helped us get it situated. But I mean, this was where we came from. So we didn't have any choice. We had to make it through. If we tried to back up, we didn't really have much of an option. So, you know. So Jared handled it very well, calmly. My mom and dad were behind us, keeping their distance. Jared was flinging up rocks. We made it though, right?
Yep.
scuff his rim up. Man, he drove that pretty damn good. That was tight.
You look, these bushes, it was either he hits the bushes or he hits the cement wall. So,
The cement wall?
the brick wall made of
Rock wall?
rocks.
The brick wall made of rocks. There's just a small price to pay.
He's stupid. You driving? Yeah. Cutie. Back with the babies. Oh, hi. Yeah, Banjo's feeling a lot better. For anyone who was wondering. See? Yep, there's. Ew, that's gross. Give me a shake. Oh, yeah. You see that? Mm-hmm. And then there's Lulu. No, stay back there. We're just making another pit stop for the dogs and some food, and then going home. Well, it was a long weekend. It was a fun weekend. I'm sorry I didn't vlog as much of the wedding as I wanted to. One, I was just having a really good time with family. It was family that I haven't really seen. And two, it just didn't feel right to just hold the camera up and vlog for a video for my cousin's wedding. So, yeah, it was beautiful. If you guys don't live in Colorado or you've never been to Colorado, you for sure need to come, because as you saw with some of those shots, amazing. It's so beautiful here, and we really, us as Coloradoans, need to not take it for granted. We don't realize how beautiful and blessed we are to live in this state and have all the views and nature and all that we do. So yeah, that's really it. I think that's gonna do it for me. Make sure to like and subscribe. You know the drill. I will see you next time.